This worksheet, Interactions Among Organisms and Populations, should look very similar to the worksheets that you have been doing on carrying capacity and limiting factors. So this is not going to be a very long introduction video because hopefully we're at the point now where we're really understanding this. So this graph goes with questions 1 through 4. We have a lynx and a hare. The lynx is this larger animal, the hare is the smaller animal. Lynxes eat hares, okay? So this is the predator, this would be the prey. The lynx goes with this dotted line, and the hare or the prey goes with the solid lines, okay? So number 1, when the hare population increased, what happened to the lynx population? Just tell me, did it increase, decrease, or stay the same? But then you need to tell me why. This does not have to be a complete sentence, but your why better be good. Number 2, how do you think an increase in lynx population affected the hare population? So when the number of lynxes started to go up, what was happening to the number of hares? So tell me, did it increase, decrease, or stay the same, and why? And then number 3, what other factors could have caused a decrease in the hare population? So in addition to the hares having more predators and therefore getting eaten, what else in real life could have happened that would also cause a lot of hares to die? So you need to think of something for that one that it has nothing to do with predators. And then number 4, predict what happened to the two populations between 1935 and 1945. So you have 1845 to 1935. You want to predict what this section is going to look like. The 1935 to 1945, okay? Backside, similar, we have another graph that shows us rodents, birds, and rattlesnakes. You should be able to answer all of these questions looking at the picture. Make sure you pay attention to the fact that each of these questions says, how do you know? How do you know? How can you tell? Why? Okay, you need to make sure that you're giving me more than just a yes or no, an increase or decrease answer. You need to explain your reasoning. It does not have to be a complete sentence, but you do need to make sure that you're explaining